Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Lindsey, and today we'll be just doing some everyday makeup for your mask. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications. Thank you. So I'm just showing you my mask from my everyday wear and all that makeup transfer. And honestly guys, I don't like that. I don't like taking off my mask in public and seeing all of that makeup, so we're gonna try to fix that today. So I'm just putting on my mask, kind of seeing where it fits on my face, because as you can see, when I put on my mask, all I'm seeing are my eyebrows, my eyes, and just like a hint of skin, just to kind of see what we're working with. With a clean moisturized face, I'm gonna tackle my eyebrows first, taking my broken eyebrow brush and just kind of combing out my brows real quick, just making sure everything is neat and in order before we start. So for my brows, I'm just going to be taking my Magic Flower Longwear Gel Eyeliner in dark brown and just going to use that to fill in my brows. Now you guys, if you've been like following me, you can see I basically use this in my makeup routine. I'll link my makeup routine above and also in the description box down below. And honestly, I just use it to line the top, line the bottom of my brows, and fill in any gaps that I have, because my eyebrow hairs tend to get pretty sparse towards the end. So just kind of do a little thing and add a little razzle dazzle on the brows. Nothing too crazy. Also guys, if you're wondering about my hair, they're butterfly locks, or some people call them distressed locks. I'll leave the link for the tutorial in the description box down below, and I'll link it above in the cards as well. Now I'm gonna grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and just start priming my lids. Now I usually like to take my black opal concealer and prime my eyelids, but I decided to just try something new and use this instead and see how I like it. And I'm just gonna go in and blend that out. And what I did, I used my black opal concealer to clean up my eyebrows, and then I just blend that out, and then I just put the LA Girl concealer and just continue the blending all in one shade. So now I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 Coconut and use that to set the LA Girl concealer on my eyes, because we have to set the eyes over here. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and just blend that out real quick. Grabbing my Black Radiance contour palette in medium dark, I'm gonna take that left contour shade and I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush and start blending it right over my eye. Now I'm just gonna put this directly in my crease, so it kind of acting as like a crease transition color. I find that this just adds some like dimension to my eyes. It's kind of like contouring for your eyes, and I just find this is just nice and great for just a nice natural beat. From the contour palette, I'm gonna grab the highlight shade and just put that in the brow bone area. Now it's not too bright, not too overbearing, it's just bright enough for an everyday look. Then I'm just gonna take a clean angled blending brush and just blend those two colors together. So blending the highlight shade and the contour shade on my brow. We're killing some harsh lines over here. Now I'm just gonna grab my Magic Flower Gel Eyeliner in black, and I'm just gonna grab an angled eyeliner brush and line the top of my eyes. I'm trying to do just a fine line. I'm not doing anything crazy. No cat eye, no winged liner, just a simple thin line on my upper lid. I'm gonna take this No Name eyeliner pencil and just go in my tight line just for some extra pop. Then I'm just gonna take that dark brown shade we used on our brows and put that in my waterline. I didn't want any like black on my waterline. I just tried to keep it as fresh and neutral as possible for this look. Now I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. Then I'm gonna grab my NYX mascara and just apply those to my upper and my bottom lashes. I'm just gonna take my time here. I'm gonna grab my Wet n Wild matte face primer and start applying that to, well, my face. Yeah, it was kind of finished. But guys, the key to this look is to try to use matte products. I noticed that any dewy products or any type, once it's not matte, like, let's try to just keep it matte, non-transferring type of products, just to limit the transfer of makeup, because when I use my dewy foundation, we ain't a problem. Matte products, less problem. All right, so then I'm just gonna grab my same Maybelline Fit Me powder and apply that on my skin after I use the primer. So this kind of helps to like, oh sorry, tongue tied there, but blur any imperfections that I may have. Now I'm gonna take my black opal concealer. I don't remember the color, but I'm just gonna use a skin tone concealer and start applying that on my cheeks. Sorry guys if I got distracted, my sister came in and we started having a little conversation there. Yeah, she was having me crack up over here. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply the concealer. So as you can tell by now, I'm not gonna be using any foundation at all for this look, especially in this heat. I'm trying to keep this makeup as light as possible. Now I know some people may use a tinted moisturizer. You can do that as well. So I'm just gonna go back in with my Fit Me foundation. My sister talked to me again. And apply that over the concealer. So I found that this blurred the dark marks on my skin enough, but I mean I have on a mask anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer and apply a tiny bit. Remember earlier I said we just had a peekaboo, a hint of skin showing where the mask was, and then I'm just gonna, ooh yeah guys, do not spray primer in front of a fan. And then I sprayed it onto my beauty blender and I'm gonna tap out and press in that concealer under my eyes. I'm just gonna take my Fit Me powder and set that concealer under my eyes. I'm not gonna do any baking, any crazy highlighting. I'm just gonna set the concealer. That's it. So this will just still have me looking, you know, more awake even with the mask on, but still keeping the makeup, you know, to a minimum. So now I'm gonna grab my contour palette again and I'm just gonna do a light contour on my forehead because, well, the mask isn't covering my forehead, so just a little light contouring, nothing crazy. And I just added a little powder to my forehead too. Now I'm just adding a little bit more powder just to kind of finish everything off, just to make sure everything is set. I'm just gonna spray my brush with some setting spray and just make sure I have everything locked in place. Using my City Color matte setting spray, I'm just gonna go in and just, well, set my face, spray my face. I'm just gonna be using lip balm on my lips, guys. I'm not using any liner, any gloss, no lipstick, just some simple, easy lip balm. So this is the first part, no lashes with the look, but I couldn't help myself, so I grabbed my old woman lashes that I got in the pharmacy and added them just for some extra pop, you know, because, well, we can. So this is it, guys. Simple, easy, super quick, natural makeup look. Now for the moment of truth. This is a clean, unused mask. I've never used this before. Clean. I'm just gonna use that and press that against my skin. Pressing. There we go. No transfer. I'm gonna put on the mask now like I regularly would. Adjust it, press it down, mold it on my nose, and then I'm just gonna kind of like mimic talking, mimic, you know, like moving how I'd usually be throughout the day. Just, you know, see how it acts, how it is, how it works. Right, now I'm gonna remove the mask and let's see. There we go. Little to no transfer. All my products, guys, little to no transfer on the mask. Gonna press it a little more into my skin just to make sure. And there we go. Now this is the mask that we used before with foundation and maybe dewy foundation, that is, and this is the new mask. So let's compare the two. Major transfer, pressing it again just to make sure, little to no transfer. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and stay safe out there. Wear a mask and follow me on all socials at __Lindsey Beth. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye.